have Chaithra here. She got placed. We would like to just ask some of her thoughts and her experience. Yeah, please share your experience.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I got referred from the ITAS institution. I got placed as a Power BI Analyst in MSI company.
Okay. So you're happy?
Yes, ma'am. I'm very
So when
happy.
are you joining?
My joining will be tomorrow.
Okay, so congratulations once again from ITAS team. So before we proceed, I'd like to ask some of general. So which course, by the way, you joined in ITAS?
Ma'am, I joined data analytics course and it was a 6 months course.
Okay.
Initially, I joined only for Excel, but seeing the coaching and the materials and the homework what they used to give us to practice for the next week, I extended my course and took the whole package of data analytics.
So how was your training experience in ITAS?
It was really well, ma'am. I had Vidya ma'am and Adi sir as my trainers. I took weekend classes since I was a working professional. So it went really well. It was a 2 hours class every weekend, and sir and ma'am both were very interactive. They were very friendly. We never had that teacher and student. It was always like one-to-one conversation with the teacher.
Okay, that's good. It was a really happy Chaithra, like hearing such a kind of feedback, really happy. What were your thoughts before you joined ITAS? Like about might be the course, how the course will go, what might be the fees, how the training will happen. So what was your experience?
Yes, ma'am. So basically, I also did my research in joining the classes, and I had few friends who had already taken courses here. So that was one of the plus point. And also coming to the fees structure. When I came to the institution to inquire about the class, sir also gave me a free class saying that okay, today's class you attend so you'll have an idea about the institution and the way we teach. So the first class went really well and it continued really well. So I joined the whole package of data analytics course.
Okay, so thanks. So now you are placed, you have joined the company, like you can share your experience, how it is. And moreover, if you wish to reveal your package, you can even share so that students will get
in my course. I got referred from ITAS in the MSI company and with a very good package of 6 lakhs per annum. And also the materials whatever ma'am and sir have given in the class was very useful because the same questions or the similar questions were asked in the company. And even before my interview, when I spoke to sir, he also told me learn so and so topics, and if you have any doubts, you can contact me. I will help you out with it. So throughout the journey, no matter what, if it's resume or the course or any topics, the institution helped me a lot.
Do you want to tell something to people who want to join data analytics or data science?
So once I got to know about the data analytics course, I knew it was the booming in this present generation, and I had a lot of opportunities in the outside world. So that is why I choose data analytics course.
So what do you think, Chaithra? Would you recommend people for joining ITAS for doing data analytics as well data science courses?
Yes, ma'am. Absolutely. I would like to recommend most of my friends to join ITAS, and there are a few friends who have actually joined ITAS for like particular courses like data science and data analytics. First thing is, I am like a live example since I've got referred from the same institution and I've got a very good package of 6 LPA. And also there are many more opportunities out there, so absolutely. And here, since I know how the experience was in the classes, so I would tell you that ITAS is the best institution for data analytics course.
So finally, Chaithra, would you like to tell something for the people who are watching this video?
Yes, ma'am, sure, absolutely. So basically, data analytics course, it might be Excel or Power BI or VBA, so everything is in this whole package. So you have a lot of options when you are going outside and searching for jobs. So, and also here in this institution, you also get materials and assignments and projects which can help you in your future. And also they are there anytime to help you, irrespective of resume or even if you're getting a job interview. If you let sir or ma'am know that this is the designation and this is the job, so they will help you out of how you have to get prepared for the job interview. So I would love everyone to join ITAS or any data analytics course anywhere which is nearby to your place. So it will be a great help for you.
So finally, we will congratulate Chaithra. She got placed in MSI. as a data analyst with a package of 6 lakh per annum. And also I would recommend all the students who would be interested to build their career in data analytics can visit our institute ITAS and can even take the free career counseling session. Thank you once.